It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment's low.
Hello, hey gorgeous, welcome back. If it's your first time here, gorgeous, you're welcome. So today I'm revealing this unit from I Like Hair. It came in this cute box, so beautiful. Oh guys, I'm really happy revealing this unit. Guys, that's the hair. The hair is Afro Kinky Curly with curly edges, 13 by 4 HD lace front bob wig. It came with all these goodies you're seeing. There are a lot. Let me bring them out for you guys to see. Ooh, it came with some clips, this to decorate your hair, a hairband, edge brush, so many. Okay, that's the hair. Look at it. Ooh, I like afro hair. I like afro hair because it takes you to those 70s. Is it 70s or 90s? Look at the inside, the construction of the hair. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap, detachable adjustable strap. The hair is 13 by 4. There's a lace attached to the back, so if you want to glue it down, look at the lace. Come with some combs as well. If you want to glue it down, you can glue this hair down. But you guys know what? I did not glue this wig down. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. That's the kinky edges. It looks so natural. When I was installing this hair, my mom was beside me. My mom was like, wow, this is just like your hair. She so much loved the hair. The texture of the hair is just very soft, and I like the way the hair is big. Gorgeous, in case if you're interested in getting this wig, sure, I'm going to leave the direct link to this unit on the description box. But if you don't like this one, if it is any other wig you want, go to their website. The link to their website will be on the description box as well.
My tattoos just a remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy. Yeah, it's a remedy. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
Look at the hairline. You see it. This is the kinky edge. It's so natural, so natural. If you want to glue this hair down, you can glue it down, but I just decide not to glue it down. I cut off the excess lace from it. The hair is really easy to work on. You don't need to do much, okay? And even if you want to glue it down, it's very easy. You don't need to manipulate the hair. Just wear it. It's wear and go, in short. Let me just tell you guys, it's wear and go. Apart from cutting the lace from it, it is wear and go. You don't need to do much with the hair.
Turn to the stars for clues. I call the moon. Then in my wildest dreams, there was a wave, growing bigger. Now I call you for something. You got all the power of the world in you. You're the antidote of lies. In the dark, the light you find is in you. You're the fire of my heart. The fire of my heart.
So first, I trim out the ones that are too long. I comb the hair out. Those are too long, I just decide to trim them. You can trim to the level you want, but I like it this big. If you want it smaller, you can trim it as you like, but the way it is big is giving me the vibe. Okay, it's giving me that vibe. Is it 90s vibe? It's giving me that vibe. I really love this hair. guys know when I was trimming the hair, my mom was like, leave it like this, you don't need to trim it, this is the vibe, just leave it big. If not, I wanted to trim it even more lower than this, but she said no, you don't have to trim it, that this is the beauty of the hair. And she's right. After filming this video, when I watched the video, I was like, oh, I did the right thing. My mom was correct that I did not trim it too low, because you can see, oh, it's really beautiful. Guys, I'm going to check if there's any discount code. You guys are going to see it on the description as usual. You guys saw that it's glueless. I did not glue it down. Look at it. I'm feeling the vibe right now. I really love this hair. I kept saying I love this hair, guys. Look at me doing my shakara. Look at the back. I'm just doing my shakara. Guys, this hair came side part, okay? So I said, okay, let me create the part 2, then do a kind of a C-cut or straight. No, I did straight. I said, let me just open the part. I opened the part, and you see that you can just cover that part if you want. Then if you want the part to show, you just open your part, and that was what I did too on this hair. So guys, that is it. Like I said, I'm going to leave all details on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check the description box. Check it out. Like I told you guys, the hair is very soft. The hair is so beautiful. The texture is lovely. When you are combing it, there's little that will fall out of it, but it's nothing, okay? That is nothing. It did not even affect the hair at all. So that is it, guys. I will leave you guys to watch to the end, and I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, if you like it here, before you go, you know how we do it. Why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao, guys. Bye.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go